Hey everyone, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. Hey, listen, today's video is kind of like a vlog style over several days. We get to go here and see Benji at the baby doctor, you know, in utero, in the womb, and let's see, what else do we get to do? There's lots of stuff on here, but the next couple of videos is going to be very much vlog style because we just have been so busy. We've had some things come up, some funerals that came up that we weren't expecting, and so we're just going to bring you guys along for whatever we do during the next several days, and then probably the next video will be very much similar to this. So, all right, well, I will put this video together, and thank you guys so much for joining. Remember, you know, to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching from, and I just want to say I appreciate you being flexible when my videos take a turn for a little bit of a different video. I still want to get something out to you guys, even if it's not what my normal videos look like. So, all right, thank you so much. Now on to the video. We're here today fixing to go do our civic duty, and we are going to vote. So we're headed in, and I will see you when we come out. So we went and voted, and now we are actually at Caroline's doctor's office. I'm going with her to the doctor's office, but Bryant's dropping me out, and she hasn't got here yet. So we're going to get an update on baby Benji in just a little bit and see what the plan is from here. We're fixing to see how big this baby is. Heartbeat. $131. That's good. Head is down. Profile there. Might actually get to see him. He's been smushed up against. What's his name? Benji. He's got his eye open. I guess it's his eye open. Okay, so on this next clip you're about to see, we traveled back to our hometown of Tobaccoville. Actually, this is our hometown, but we lived in Tobaccoville, or the Winston-Salem area, for about 15 years. So we had to head back up there for a funeral, and we stopped by to visit the restaurant Bryant and our youth pastor used to own together while we were there. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Hey everybody, we are visiting the Old Richmond Grill. This is the grill that Bryant, when he was the pastor here, went into business with our youth pastor, and this is the grill. We're up here for a funeral, and so we're gonna have lunch in here with some friends. Bryant's already in here.
Somebody's on back of the look. Hey everybody.
These are all our friends.
You got friends?
We have friends. In low.
See the guy wearing a red shirt? He ran it for 41 years.
Yep. Okay, so now it is, what day is it? We are, let me think. I don't know. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. And we have got to get feed inventory over at the farm. Y'all have seen me do that a million times, but we're going to do it again because I have to do it every week. I probably should have done it yesterday, but we've had another crazy week. It's been another crazy week, so we're going to go do it right now. I've got to pick up the boys today. We're having church tonight, but it's going to be more of a a prep for our Hallelujah night, which our church, we offer our community an alternative to Halloween, and they get to come through and they can dress up and have fun, and we call it Hallelujah night. And so we have to move stuff over because we do it at the local elementary school. And so we have to set up tables, take the snow cone machine, take the popcorn machine, all that good stuff. So we got to do that tonight. So you're just going to hang out with me today, and that's what you're going to do. All right, I'll see you over at the farm. So the first thing I do is I have to stop by our, it's a mailbox, but it's not like for postal service use. It's for farm use. And the feed trucks always stop by here. They put in, when they deliver feed, they bring their feed tickets and leave them in here. So that's the first thing I do, is grab any feed tickets that may have come in through the week, and we'll keep an inventory of what feed I have. So now we've got to go tap all the feed bins. Oh, I forgot to put the flag down. Anyway, we got to go tap all the bins to see how much feed is in it, and so I can send in, say, hey, our farm has this amount of feed. Either please send us some, or most of the time they automatically send it, but they just need to know what our inventory is and what it's looking like. So, because every farm is different. Every farm has different size houses. They may have different amount of houses. We have 6 houses, so every farm is different, so they can't just automatically send, you know, what they need to send. But they do pretty much know. But we have to get a weekly inventory. And when it gets closer to the end of the flock, the chickens are eating a whole lot more, and we have to do it sometimes multiple times a week. So anyway, I'm here to get feed inventory. Looking at this feed bin right here, you can see that there is feed in it because this is a clear plastic. We call that the boot. And so we can see that this one has feed. I need to tap that bin just to see how much is in there. And you can see here, this is a clear boot. So this bin is empty of feed. So the ones that have feed are the ones I need to check. So we have 2 empty ones over here and 2 bins with feed, which at this age is very, very normal. That's always. When they're this young, these are a week old, we usually only 1 bin has feed at this point. So let me check it. So now that I've gone around to all the houses and tapped the bins and took notes of how much was in each bin, I now send an email. And then I will list up on our board, our inventory log, our feed inventory log, these tickets that came in. And I keep a total of how much feed we have and what type of feed has been delivered. Because when they're little bitty babies, they start with grower feed or starter feed. Excuse me. When they're little bitty, they start with starter. When they get just a week or so, couple of weeks old, we go to grower, and then we go to normal, and so forth and so on. And then at the end, they have finisher feed. So it's all about the amount of protein that's in the feed and so forth. And, you know, they have some kind of formula for it, but all of our feed is organic. It comes from organic corn. Everything around here, it has to be completely organic. So, all right, let's send this email. So as this vlog style video continues on, I know I don't match, y'all. I just got a little chilly, so this is what I wore this morning when I went outside, so I just grabbed it and put it on. Just overlook the fact that I don't match. But anyway, what I decided to do, since this is kind of a vlog style video and you've followed me through a few bits and pieces of a few days, I'm going to show you what I'm fixing to do. I know it's early. I know y'all are probably going to say no, but I'll explain why in just a second. Hang on. I'm undecorating. I'm getting all my fall stuff, bringing it right here to the island. Let me tell you why. Some of you already know why. And, well, first of all, it's not really early for me. I always decorate for Christmas the 1st of November. Always. Always. Unless things are, my schedule for some reason goes crazy. I normally always decorate the 1st of November because I love Christmas that much. Now, I'm one of those that as soon as Christmas is over, it comes down. Yes, I know about Old Christmas. I know about January 6th, but I want it down. To me, Christmas is over as far as our celebration and our events and things that we do. It's over on Christmas Day, and so I'm ready to get ready for whatever's next. So I decorate early. And so I'm just going around, I'm grabbing my stuff, setting it in here on the island, and maybe tomorrow or the next day I will work on getting out my Christmas decorations. Now, another reason we're doing it early, or I'm so bent on doing it early, is that we're having a little grandbaby any day now. She has a few weeks until she's due. The baby is not due, Benji. Our third little grandson is not due until Thanksgiving Day. But I don't see how the girl can go much longer. So anyway, we are just getting this ready and doing this now. And so I don't have to worry about it then. So I'm going to kind of clean up from my fruit salad that Bryant's been nibbling on. I'm going to clean up from that and wash my island off and have all my fall decorations brought in here. My tubs are right out there on the porch, so I don't have to go far to them. It's just getting my Christmas ones in that's going to be a problem. So, let's get started. I have undecorated, and the only thing I have left to take down is my berry vine up there. Everything else I think is down, and my house looks so bare. It looks so sad. But anyway, the boys are going to get out my Christmas decorations but I probably won't put them up or go through them until Monday. We have, let's see, we have something every day this week. Bryant has a heart CT tomorrow. He has, and then we have Hallelujah night tonight. This vlog has gone on for several days, but he has Hallelujah night tonight. He has a heart CT tomorrow. Caroline has an iron infusion tomorrow that I'll be going with her to. Saturday, he has a funeral, and one of the Sunday school classes at church has a cookout, and they always invite the pastor to that. So, and then Sunday, we have church, and it's our baptismal Sunday, so we have a potluck afterwards. And then Sunday night, our family is going out to eat for mine and Bryant's birthdays. So it's like a crazy week. So I won't have a chance to really decorate until Monday. But if I can at least get them down here and even kind of peep in and maybe get one item out here and there, it'll make things easier. I do want to get my little red and white Christmas tree that I put up over here at my I Love You Like Biscuits and Gravy sign. I want to go ahead and get that up whenever Jessica can come help me. She is the professional tree fluffer here, and so I need her to come and help do that. And so I'll just kind of be at her leisure whenever she can get here to do it. And so yeah, I think that's why this vlog and why the rest of the week's going to be a little crazy. So I didn't even get to make my mile high pound cake, which that'll probably be on Monday's video. Hopefully that'll be Monday's video. All right, so I'm going to end today's video here. I'm just looking around at my house and how bare it looks with no decorations up. I mean, I still have my like normal stuff out, but it looks kind of sad to me. But anyway, won't for long. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to end today's video here. Thank you for coming for this just vlog style over several days. And I'm just going to pick up tomorrow's video right where this one's leaving off. So I'll see you guys next time. Remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all.